There's nothing better than the smell of success as your phone rings to notify you of your new earnings. It is a real feeling that you can earn money as you wish with your hard work. But it sure is a whole level of satisfaction to earn cash in 3 different amazing ways that, combined, allow you to earn over $1,000 in net income. Net income. Yes, that's exactly right. Whatever you will earn is 100% pure and solid profit because you will not invest anything and this whole strategy will work. Now I have a little secret. It's really minor for now. So consider yourself lucky that you are watching this video right here. Only a few people know about this whole strategy. So you should stick with me till the end of the video. Everything I will discuss with you is really easy and you can do it in the blink of an eye. But before we start, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online the easy way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So every time we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making stuff. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, or feedback about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment below. Now coming to the video. Now I don't want to keep you guys waiting and prolong the agony. So without further ado, allow me to show you the first website called remotetasks.com. Remote Tasks is actually quite popular. And you've probably heard of this method before, but you've probably never gone into full detail about it. That's why this video will show you everything you need to know to work your way to remote jobs and make it your way to generating huge streams of income. As soon as you visit their page, you can see that this platform will allow you to earn in USD just by working online from the comfort of your home. As I said, this platform is quite popular among hustlers like you, as evidenced by their talk that there are over 240,000 total taskers in the community. This website definitely has all the stuff that helps you to be satisfied with your earnings. Now I want you to scroll down, and you'll find the section where you can learn how it works. Are the tasks paid? It's literally that simple. Earn money by completing simple tasks, from labeling images to transcribing audio. To break it down further, you can perform this method in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Learn how to operate easily with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. The second stage is the finished work. Work on projects you've unlocked. And finally, step 3. Pay weekly in US dollars. Get paid quickly through PayPal or RTM based on the quality and quantity of tasks you've completed. Okay, so feel free to scroll down the page some more and you can find all the information you need to know about me. You can also find some frequently asked questions where you can learn more about being a remote tasker. So by all means, feel free to go through each question so that you have an extra sense of security about the legitimacy of this website. As you scroll down, you can even get more information that helps to further prove that this website is not a scam. Here you can find real testimonials and success stories from taskers around the world. You are free to watch these videos to get more motivation to become a remote tasker. Once you're done, you can now proceed to the sign-up process at the top of the page. Just click on the black button here that says sign up. After doing this, you will be redirected to the page where you can now start the registration process. Click the box here that says I agree to the terms of service and the EUDPA. Then proceed to continue creating your account through Facebook or Google. After completing the registration, you can now go full force in completing the tasks on your dashboard. Everything will be very fun and interesting. So you can never go wrong pursuing either of these jobs. And of course, it will allow you to earn huge amounts of money. So this method is absolutely brilliant. And these were remote tasks. So, now we can move on to the second website I'm going to show you. It is none other than Buzzbreak News. This is a personal favorite because it is really easy. You can just use your mobile phone and perform this method. The best part about it is that you can continue to earn money on the go. Why like this? This is because, with Buzzbreak, all you have to do is read some interesting articles and news to keep you going and updated. All subjects will be glowing with interest. So there is no way you will get bored while adopting this method. Just by reading articles online, you can earn rewards, and then convert them into real money. Definitely amazing, right? And get this. The Buzzbreak app can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So it's really easy and accessible. It doesn't matter which device you are using, be it iOS or Android device. This method will still work perfectly. If you guys are enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now coming to the video. Check it out. Buzzbreak app has a total of 600,000 downloads from users all over the world. So in summary, Buzzbreak is a lifestyle app that shows you all the popular content from the internet, from interesting videos to funny memes and world news events. Everything can be found here on Buzzbreak. As you scroll down, you can see more of his amazing reading, comfortably at 3.6 out of 5 stars. When you think about it, it's already above average because the global average for apps on the Google Play Store is only 3 stars. So with this rating and so many positive reviews, you are definitely in good hands. Now that we are coming to the end of the video, I am going to tell you the very last website and the last way you can earn heaps of cash online fast. This website is called surveytime.io. From the name, it is quite literal because all you have to do is a survey and then earn money, and as easy as 123. As soon as you visit their official website, you will immediately see that with the survey time, you can instantly get a $1 reward. For every survey you complete, you have the option to watch this tutorial video right here, which is only good for 1 minute. So the choice is up to you. But really, I don't think you need to do that as long as you're paying attention to everything I'm teaching you. SurveyTime is one of the best websites in its field. And with an out of this world rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. Based on my observation, Trustpilot has one of the most intense attackers out there. So 4.5 is indeed an achievement. With that, you are now all clear to proceed with the sign-up process, which is simply placed on the main homepage. Initiate the registration by entering your email, and then expect your password. It will be sent to you via registered mail. To make your life much easier, you also have the freedom to proceed with the sign-up process by continuing with Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Just choose one of the methods as they all lead you in the same direction anyway. After signing up, you now have the power to make money out of thin air just by completing surveys that are common. Most of the time, the survey will only take a few minutes, not going past the 5-minute mark, so it really is just a quick walk in the park. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.